Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use ClickFunnels for marketing. First, you'll want to either log in or create an account if you haven't got one already. Once you've created your account, you'll want to go through the steps to create what they call your funnel. My funnel was fully done by AI, but if you would like to create your funnel from scratch, just click on Create Funnel. And then from there you can choose whichever funnel you would like, or you could choose Start from Scratch. Make sure to name your funnel, Create Funnel, and then you can build it from here. Once the AI has created your funnel, you'll be able to see the funnel created. You can click on it and you'll be able to preview and see if it matches what you're looking for. In this case, I created just a simple newsletter, so people will be able to put in their email address, get a free report. If you would like to edit what the AI has done, you can just hover over the different funnel and click on Edit. And then from there, you can change whatever you want to change. Make sure to click Save. Once you are happy with your funnel, make sure to direct traffic towards the domain. And that's it, and you're done. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.